Mark and Michelle were moving from Vermont all the way over here to Colorado, but they ran into one massive problem. Every time they liked a house, that home would be sold before they had a chance to go see it. They were getting so fed up, they almost contemplated not buying at all and just renting. To add even another stressor, interest rates were skyrocketing, causing them to lose their coveted purchasing power. So come on with me, check out what we did.
So we used Bob's ultimate home buying experience to move from Vermont to Colorado, and Bob helped us locate a great house, great value, and get a great interest rate.
Awesome.
Everything worked out perfectly.
So here's what we did. First, we started off with our express loan approval, which converts them into a cash-like buyer. Then we protected their pocketbook by doing our Rate Protect program, which saved them from rising interest rates. Our express loan approval turns you into a cash buyer. You can also add on Rate Protect, which allows you to lock your interest rate for 6 months in advance of closing before you're even under contract on a home. So here's what happened. They actually closed 4.5 months later.
And working with Bob on getting our finance squared away first really helped our realtor Haley negotiate and beat out some cash offers.
So if you'd like a real good mortgage experience, go ahead, click the button below, check out this case study, and I promise I'll deliver you the experience of a lifetime. Click the link.